Let's open it. Hey guys, welcome to Sisi Bee and Mrm unboxing show. In this unboxing show, we'll be unboxing. Let's see what it is. I wonder where it is. Me too. Let's open it. Hold on. Wonder. Look. How do they wrap this thing? Oh, there you go. A new HUE camera? Hey, show them. What else? Open it. I got like this. Geez. Which way? This way. Huh? That's not how you open it. Huh, yeah. What way? Oh! Oh! Look! How do you take this one out? Just to the cord. Oh! Another one? And another book? And a CD? This CD. You plug it. You put it into the computer and download the drive. For HUE. For HUE. Wait. HUE. It's a CD. A drive. It's the software. You have to take this. The software is called Animation Studio. Let's see what it comes with 2 books and a CD. So to work it, you have to take HUE camera and you have to take this HUE camera, plug in a plug. You have to take this and connect it to the computer. With this plug, like this, you take this and then you plug it into the bag. And then you take this part and then plug it into a random computer. And then you have to take the CD. It's plug and play. The software is so that you could animate like with taking pictures. Like take a picture and move some stuff. This is animation called Duck Duck Poop. To make a stop motion, you have to take like some clay or anything. You can make it out of anything. Like you take a tomato or something. Take a shot. Take a shot. And then when you unpause it, it will be like moving with no hands. Yeah. Like that. So to use the camera, you have to take this and plug it into the back. Never plug it into a wall. And you take this and plug it into a computer. And we have to. Yes, the camera is flexible, so like you could do a different angle. We want to create a stop motion where this clay character first is a ball that rolls into the screen, and then the second smaller ball, and then one other big one, and then the little ball goes in the middle, and then the other 2 big balls go up. And then one comes off, and then it smushes itself, and the other comes out from the bottom and then smushes itself. And then the third one smushes itself. And then they pile up on each other. And then some frosting comes. Like some line comes as for frosting.
And then you twirl it on top.
Twirl it on top to make a cupcake.
Ooh, let's get the clay.
So before you make the animation, you make a storyboard. A storyboard is like you write down the ideas,
and then you draw it out.
Draw it out, and then you copy it
into something else. Like you could do an animation with a storyboard.
Of a piece of clay. So
like this one, my brother made. My
storyboard.
Big brother, and you could change it like into a clay or something, and you make stuff move.
HUE animation has its own storyboard. You could draw it on.
Yes, you could also draw on HUE animation.
This thing records video.
So how you upload it
is
you're gonna see a moon at the top, and you click on it, and it shows some app that you could upload it to.
Like Credibles.
Act like this is the moon and this is the mouse. You click it, and then it's gonna show these squares with the app.
We want to show our animation to our grandma who lives in Florida, so we have to tell her the app that we put it on, and then tell her what the name is. So it's like the animation.
Oh, I made a show that's called Funny Show, and it's super funny. It's this ball that turned into a lady, and then the lady doesn't know that she's walking off on a cliff, and then she reached the end of the cliff, and then she falls off.
Our grandma can watch our movies
by going to the app and then looking, and
the app's called Credibles
Credibles
and YouTube. Website called Credibles.com. We can upload our movies to Credibles.
Now we're going to show you how to make some stop motion movies.